Just line them up. It's like flipping, isn't it?
Go on, Steve. Oh, you're just enjoying that.
One.
Can you keep it together?
Wrap it up in here. Wrap it in the bottom. Keep it. She can't even wrap it.
You can have my happy birthday.
What's it what? Let's try the bauble.
It's Luke, Steve.
Very nice, Steve.
Oh no, the camera's gone out.
I love how she's doing it like this, like in actors.
I know. This one's great.
It was your hair, it's not anymore.
Oh no. Far over than I am.
I know.
Danielle, you're going to go next. No. Half of it's done.
Do you do it like that chicken out?
Until she's ready to shave it.
Abby, flip your hair up a bit.
Yeah, flip it. Yeah, a bit more flipping. Well, you can.
Yeah, do that while you can.
It's an advert by Iona's hairdressing skills. It's not good, is it?
So we're here at the same time, yeah? Kind of hard to see.
Brutal for the fringe.
No, you really don't.
You don't want to look. You know when we say that thing, it's a look? Yeah, it's one of those.
Oh my god.
We told you not to look. It's fine, it's fine.
Just remember,
All grows back.
good cause. Good. That's a suited short. Maybe not that style. The suited short. Maybe not how you want to do it.
It's the in-pub hairstylist, yeah. You look quite Madonna. It's okay, the fun bit's still to come and shave it all off. She actually really sweet short hair. Really sweet short hair.
No, I don't.
You really do.
What is that saying?
But we'll be for a while.
Remember Jamie? Yeah? Remember me? Yeah, I'm a good dancer. Yeah, he said, yeah. Excuse me, that is the kind of fashion to dance like that. You can take your leg up in there. Actually, was a big dance at Alex. Oh, sorry, I was tempted to big dance.
Well, we're the good stuff.
How long do you think you should go? I'm going to get longer. Yeah.
I think you could get away with shaving now. Fun begins. Is that in case she tries to stab you?
Yeah.
Bye.
No, I
Nice,
know.
doesn't it? It's short hair suits her. Kids going around, just going, actually. Does it feel funny? Does it feel cold?
You want to have for Christmas, Abby? Yeah, that is. Eyebrows as well.
No, no eyebrows. We could draw hair on. Take a while, but Fiona, you get the worst off first and then go down to the details. Just to get the worst of it off first. And then we'll tidy after. Just be positive. Positive. Smile. Nod.
Oh my God.
What are you kids in next?
Don't worry.
Just line them up. It's like flipping, isn't it? She's not falling.
Yes, no, that's the hand already. Nice.
Think of it all over suntan you're going to get.
There's one more girl.
Like you short hair.
Definitely like your head, but it's for sure.
You'll need to get
Stop reading
Next volunteer, thank you, Vicky. Next volunteer. Children present, Victoria.
It's in her hands. Hand over the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, what a mess you made of this.
Finish with Iona. No, it's not your fault. You're wrong.
Having to do it as well.
Your head's reflecting the sun now. Can't get a picture. Selfies will be a nightmare. Should I start now in the morning? It's going to be dead.
I've got this.
Or a pint.
So you'll ask for the same price as that one with the car. Just all the front of the car. Well, just one. No. Same sort of price.
Well, someone else's.
The black car. Just was it? Oh, just a minute.
Just looked at the curves.
I've got to keep a deja vu with Julian last weekend. Next one, please. So on this morning?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm sure you're home at 1:30.
That long bit of hair, this long.
I'm still there. Just like close the door and bed.
Yep, is that Fergie?
I don't think I can diet then. No? There's that. Extensions are nice. Attach them to your eyebrows.
That's what happens finishing your bed, Abigail.
You look like Steve.
This is the boss, isn't it? All got the same haircut.
It's compulsory. All you need now is a shade to make it exactly the same as
Do your eyebrows.
Expanding that sleeve.
It's all going to go down your head. I have standards. I'll tell you this now, after it's gone.
Leslie, I'll just wait here.
I bet people eat it.
A little bit of reminder that it will come back.
Yeah. At some point. All the same, right? Not leave. Sorry. Cashless tips. Oh, yeah.